Hi, it's Lucy here from A&J Education. Today I'm standing in Berkeley Square in Mayfair, which is right by our offices. And today we're going to be talking about the tutorial system at Oxford and what it's like. So to start with, let me talk a bit about, I suppose, what the tutorial system is. So the tutorial is kind of the hallmark of an Oxbridge education. In Cambridge they call them supervisions, and in Oxford they're tutorials. Basically, you have them at least once a week, often more frequently than that, depending on your subject and what you're studying that term. But you're basically in a class of between like 1 and 3 students with a professor, and they're based around the work you were doing that week. So for instance, in history, each week I would be set an essay topic, I'd be given a reading list and like a question or a couple of questions that I could choose from, and my task was to read these books, figure out my answer, produce an essay, which would then be sent to my tutor in advance for this tutorial. And then the tutorial would be spent on this essay. You would talk about the problems that came up, the argument you created, other things that you could consider. They're at least an hour long, but a lot of tutors spend a lot longer than an hour with you. It's quite common for them to end up being 2 hours or even longer, depending on what your tutor's like. And again, in terms of class size, it could be that you're the only one in this 2-hour-long session talking through this issue with your tutor. But normally particularly when you first start, you're generally in groups of 2 or 3. It all depends on timetabling really there, and like who's available, who's doing what paper, and so on. And it's pretty much the same for all subjects. Obviously, if you're doing science, biology and medicine will have essays, but the other sciences, you'll do problem sheets instead and discuss them together with your tutor. And they'll be set each week with the expectation that they're completed for the tutorial. They're definitely challenging. You're being grilled on your essay and your thought, and there's pretty much nowhere to hide in this time. And you're with someone that has possibly written one of the books on your reading list or teaches lectures in that subject. But they're probably one of the best things about Oxford. They're very difficult, but you come out that tutorial knowing so much more than when you went in. Because at first, like you only have a short period to try and master this subject, but the tutorial kind of makes you get to grip with all that information you've been looking at and understand all the different arguments, at least in history, your own stance on that thing, so that when it comes to doing exams in that subject and writing your notes more comprehensively for revision and so on, you have a really clear understanding of this particular subject, which I really don't think you get at very many places. Probably Cambridge is probably the only other place that offers this. And it also gives you a chance to be wrong, because you're doing all these essays that are often marked and looked over by a tutor, but they don't officially count towards any grades. It gives you a chance to be wrong and try something out. So these things don't have to be perfect, but they give you a chance to learn your subject, have an expert look over it and give you feedback, and that's each week. For many subjects you have more than 1 tutorial a week as well, so you get a lot of really close contact time. The other thing to remember, like this all sounds great, and you're probably, if you're thinking about applying to Oxford or you're already in the middle of that process, is that the tutorial is pretty much like the interview. Interviews are mini tutorials, and they're trying to see if you'll cope with this system. So try not to be too intimidated by the interview. This is the purpose of interviews, to see if you'll cope. It's not to try and do some weird test that you don't understand. It's just to see if you'll cope with the tutorial system at Oxford. I hope that makes sense to you. If you do have any questions, please leave them below. But that is the tutorial system at Oxford. Click here to watch more videos and click here to subscribe.